Welcome back, collectors, to another episode of Carey Collects. In today's video, we have Upper Deck's newest product. We have a hobby box of 2022-2023 Series 2 hockey. In this break, we're going to get 8 cards per pack, 24 packs per box. We're looking for 6 Young Guns, roughly 4 canvas cards, depending if you're going to get a Young Gun or not. They got Programs of Excellence back in here. They got some pretty cool highlighters and fluorescents that are actually like 1 in 1,500 or almost 5,000 packs, which is kind of cool. Again, they got like the day with the cup. They brought back rookie materials so you can get patches with them. We're looking for Slavkovsky. We're looking for Shane Wright, Kuzmenko. There's actually a few decent Young Guns in here that we're chasing after. All right, there's a look at the box and the packs. The packs actually look good. It's not McDavid for once. I know I'm a huge McDavid fan, but honestly, it kind of gets... I get sick of just staring at McDavid all the time. Give us Ovi, give us Sid, give us something good. All right, Series 2. I'm very excited for this. Oh, and our first insert here is a World Junior Grads for Philip Forsberg. I think you can get a numbered one in these out of 150, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool insert there. You got Sam Reinhart, Paul Byron, and Derek Grant. Got Hampus Lindholm, Pierre Engwall, Riley Smith, Steven Stamkos, and an instant impressions of Brian Elliott. I'm not too sure I even know what that is. Okay. Maybe it's like a rookie card or something. We'll see. We got Forsberg, Lars Ehler, and Teddy Bluger. We got Brian Rust. Kind of looks like a cool card there. Nuge, Justin Barron, Capo Caco, and our first UD Portraits, rookies of Carson Meyer for the Blue Jackets. Alrighty, Rupe Hintz, Ross Colton, and Nathan McKinnon. Travis Konechny, Jacob Voracek, Yanni Gord, and our first Young Gun of Linus Hogberg for the Flyers. Don't know too much about him. Nikita Kucherov, Jacob Peterson, Zibanejad, and Taylor Radish. We got Dyson Mayo, Artemi Panarin, Ivan Provorov. No way. We got a Fanimation of Ilya Sorokin. I don't know what the packs on that is, but that is I'm pretty sure it's a very tough pull. That's a good player to get, Ilya Sorokin. Heck yeah. Got like a little pedestal here. We can at least start something up there. Cool. Evander Kane, Sebastian Aho, Jordan Stahl, and Brock Besser. Got Dawson Mercer, Jamie Benn, Noah Hanfin, and our first Dazzlers of Valtteri Puustinen. Blue Dazzlers. I think pinks are the toughest to get. Rasmussen, Jack Hughes, Elias Lindholm, and Eric Robinson. Got Zemgus Girgensons, Caleb Jones, Keandre Miller. We have another Young Gun here of Riley Walsh for the Devils. Hopefully he does all right. Riley Walsh with the Devils. We got a checklist of Draisaitl and Natty Mac, Bergeron, Schwartz, and Nikushkin. We got Anders Lee, Evan Bouchard, Arturi Leikkanen, Nick Paul. And what do we got here? A Lunchbox Legends of Jared McCann. That's actually a cool pull as well. Thought maybe it was like a gold one or numbered or something, but we'll take that. Philip Tomasinu, Semyon Varlamov, and Matt Dumba. We got Connor Sheary, John Tavares, Andre Kemp, Alec Martinez. So I thought that was our insert. And we got a UD Portrait Rookies of Michael Esamont. Bertuzzi, Bonino, and Thomas Tatar. Got Jeremy Swayman, another checklist of Sider, Bo Horvat, Jordan Greenway, and we have a superstar honor roll of Nicholas Abruzzi. They brought the superstar back in Series 2, kind of cool. Dylan Cousins, Kachuk, and Nick Leddy that I just threw. Robbie Fabry, Corey Perry, Ricard Raquel, Dmitry Orlov, and we have a World Junior Grads of Martin Nikas. Got Matthew Joseph, Vasilevsky, and Kolsar. Got Evgeny Malkin, Dan Vladar, Gustav Nyquist, and Welcome to Columbus. It's got to be like a single player, hey? The signing of Johnny Gaudreau. Okay. Mark Scheifele, Devon Taves, Austin Matthews, and Sergei Bobrovsky. We've only gotten 2 young guns, so we should be running into a few young guns here. Here's one now. Scott Prunovich. Oh, no way. We got Buddy. No way. Or Boy. Seattle Kraken, young gun. You got to be able to get gritty and stuff like that. Maybe not, but hell yeah, we'll take him. Jesse Puljujarvi, JVR, Anthony Duclair, and Rasmus Dahlin. Looks like another young gun here. Travis Boyd, Zach Hyman, Kokanemi, and Elmer Soderblom. It's actually a decent young gun to get there. Very big defenseman. 6'8". That's just massive. I'm a big boy and I'm 6'4". But we'll take Soderblom all day. Got Blake Wheeler, Tage Thompson, Lundestrom, and Carey Price. We got Jesper Boquist, Ekman Oliver Larson, and we got a Thomas Bordelot honor roll. Not gold, not numbered. David Kampf, Brandon Carlo, Adam Fox, and Jordan Eberle. Vladimir Tarasenko, Marcus Foliano, James Reimer, my bad, Nicholas Waugh, and we got a UD canvas of Alex Kerfoot, which is our first canvas. We're lacking those and a few young guns. We got Crosby, Anderson, and Seth Jones. We got Nick Suzuki, Charlie McAvoy, Jake McCabe, Mikhail Granlund, and we have a UD canvas of Brad Marchand. I was going to say a portrait, but it's not a portrait, it's a canvas. That actually looks really cool. That's like a new, maybe like a new camera or like a new filter maybe, but they just look clean. Kaprizov, Petrangelo, and Thomas Hertl. Got Dougie Hamilton, TJ Brody, John Gibson, Torrey Krug, and we have another canvas here of Joel Farabee. Pulling all our canvases back to back. We got Dylan Dubé, Gavrikov, and Barzal. Moritz Seider, Arthur Kaliev, Noah Dobson, Tyler Sagans, And we got a UD Canvas Young Gun of Samuel Polin. Looks like for the Penguins. I honestly don't know too much about this guy, but we'll take any canvas we can get. Young Gun canvas. Marc-Andre Fleury, Sam Bennett, Eric Cernak, and welcome to Anaheim. Who is this? Trevor Zegras. All right. Taylor Hall, Spurgeon, Laine, and Coleman. Hopefully we get a good pack here. Pitlick. Oh yeah, we got a Young Gun of Philip Hollander for the Penguins. Alrighty. Giordano, Tolvanen, Seth Jarvis, and Dr. Draisaitl. Adam Lowry, Adam Larson, Josh Norris, and we got a black and white canvas. I think that's a throwback of Rick Nash. He's definitely not in playing hockey now. 08-09, 15 seasons for the Blue Jackets. Poor guy. Ix Alafalo, Ottinger, Cheadle, and Pedersen. Well, we're coming down to our final two packs. If you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, if you guys are enjoying the rips, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to open up anything else. I feel like this box has just been not loaded, but it's been a pretty good box. Adam Huska for the Rangers. We pulled that Fanimation, and we pulled the Young Gun canvas. Bowen Byram, no French card yet though. Adam Watson, must have missed it. Thomas Hurdle, and there's our French card right there. Nate Schmidt, just a base. Heinen, Quick, Garland. All right, these are our Young Guns here. We got Linus Hogberg. We got Riley Walsh for the Devils. We got our boy for the Seattle Kraken. Maybe it's Bowie. That's like that could be a tough pull. I honestly don't know like anything about him, but got Elmer Soderblom for a 4th, Samuel Polin for a 5th. We got Philip Hallander for a 6th, and for a 7th, we got Adam Huska. And then we pulled this Fanimation of Ilya Sorokin, which is just a beautiful pull there. Well, thank you guys for tuning in to Carey Collects again. It's been a pleasure, and that's 2022-2023 Series 2 hockey. Thank you so much. Bye.